Hey there. You know that feeling when someone gives you a compliment and it totally brightens your day? Well, did you know compliments don't just improve personal relationships? They can actually boost your career too. Today, we're talking about the incredible power of compliments and how a few well placed words can transform your professional and your personal life. This is Career and Life with Fancy. I'm Fancy. Let's dive in. So let me share a personal story that just happened to me yesterday, twice yesterday, and once today. So I went into the office and I was coming through one of the conference room doors. Two of my coworkers were sitting discussing a project. The one more senior colleague turned towards the door. She saw me and she said, "Oh my God, you look amazing. You always look professional. You're so beautiful today. You look amazing." So I was like, "Oh my gosh, thank you so much." That really meant a lot to me because I had a long commute yesterday. I had encountered a lot of traffic. The toll roads were outrageous. I barely dodged two accidents. So that compliment is like you fought through all that traffic and all of that early in the morning, long commute, and you still came in here looking professional and amazing. So I appreciated that. Yesterday, after I got off work, I had to go to the grocery store. And here I am standing in or going through the self-checkout. So as I'm scanning, I notice that a gentleman is coming from behind me and he walks past me. He gets about 10 feet ahead of me or ahead of the checkout stand. And then he doubles back and he tapped me and he said, "Ma'am, I just wanted to let you know that you are so beautiful. You look amazing today." And I'm like, "Oh my gosh, that made me feel so good." He didn't have to do that. It made me feel like I was on cloud nine. So I thanked him and I truly appreciated that compliment. But today in the workplace, over Teams meeting, with working from home today, I was collaborating with a colleague, and she mentioned that she admired the fact that I'm always so well versed and polished and poised and professional whenever I have a presentation or whenever I send out emails or any kind of policy that I've drafted. It's always well packaged. And she said that she admired that about me. That was the most amazing compliment of all of the compliments that I got between yesterday and today. That was the one that struck home the most. I appreciated the fact that my colleague said that she admired something in me, and I in turn admired a lot of things in her, but that struck a chord with me where I wasn't intentionally trying to fish for compliments. It's just that I have a passion for certain things and it obviously showed. So that compliment, it kept me going. It was unexpected, but it was well received. All right, so let's start with the basics. Why are compliments so powerful? Compliments activate the reward centers in the brain, not only making the person receiving it feel amazing, but also giving the person who's giving the compliments a boost. Whether at work or in your personal life, compliments create an instant connection, builds trust, and makes everyone feel seen and valued. Let's break this down. In your personal life, compliments strengthen your relationships. Acknowledging someone's effort, their kindness, or just something small like their style builds a positive rapport. But in your professional life, compliments can do even more. Complimenting a colleague's hard work or a boss's leadership skills not only builds connections, but can actually position you as a more empathetic and collaborative person. And we all know that in the workplace, relationships are key. But here's where it gets really interesting. Compliments in the workplace aren't just about being nice, they're strategic. A well-timed compliment can help you stand out as a positive team player, which is crucial for networking and career growth. Imagine you're in a meeting and you take a moment to acknowledge a teammate's great idea. It not only makes them feel appreciated, appreciated, but shows everyone in the room that you're observant and supportive. Two qualities every leader values. In fact, studies show that compliments improve workplace morale and can even lead to better teamwork and productivity. If you're a manager, complimenting your team regularly for their effort, creativity, or achievements boosts motivation and helps retain top talent. And hey, as someone who's climbing the career ladder, showing appreciation for others' contribution can help you build stronger professional relationships. And who knows, it might even open the door to new opportunities. So, how can you apply this? Here's what I suggest. Give at least one compliment every day, whether to a colleague, your boss, or someone in your personal life. Be specific. Instead of just saying, great job, try, I really appreciated how you handled that tough situation. It showed great leadership. In the workplace, compliments like this can shift the energy, and in your personal life, they'll strengthen your connections. So, next time you notice something you admire, don't be afraid to speak up. A few kind words can make a big difference for your relationships, your career, and your life in general. If this video gave you something to think about, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on navigating your career and personal growth. And hey, leave a compliment for someone in the comments. Let's keep the positivity flowing. See you in the next one.